Do black snakes hiss? I don't know. Is that him over there? Yes, that's him. There he is. Hi, dude. Hey, Horton. Hi. I need one of those sticks, snake sticks. Hey, dude. Well, okay. Okay. Found him. Put on gloves. I don't know if that's gonna help. Oh, Lord. I don't wanna do it. All right. Okay. All right. Whoa! When I stop recording, I have to do it. I don't want to. Oh my gosh. Taking a water break. Again, I keep thinking if I just, oh, that guy has a rake on his truck. To be continued. He totally sees that I'm looking at him. Okay, I'm gonna borrow this guy's rake. Okay. All right. He said I could borrow his rake. Here it is. All right. I don't want to do this. Okay, I have an idea. Maybe if I use the rake from the opposite side of the car, and I've got the box there, maybe I can get him in the box and pick up the box and close it. We'll try that. Oh, do you see it? You see the seatbelt thing?
How does this seat go up?
I don't know.
Seat goes up.
Man said to leave it. He said the snake won't come out and get under my pedals while I'm driving on the freeway. Okay. Clean out my car. Less things to hide in for the snake. Horton, as Jenny called him. All right, I'm gonna take an update when we come out from the appointment. All right, bye. I keep thinking about it. Where is it? What's it doing? Where's it gonna be when I open the doors? But I just don't want it in my car. New plan. I'm going to let the South Carolina 90-degree weather make the car really hot, which will be uncomfortable for Horton. And then open the doors and he'll jump out. That's my new plan. So wish me luck. Having lunch, going to the car, opening the doors. Okay, headed back to the car after lunch. Terrified. Hopefully it's nice and warm enough for him to be excited about leaving. I highly doubt. Sorry. He's over there?
Yeah, he's under one seat.
Okay. All right. He's where?
He's going into the back.
Into the back?
So he's going.
We can't get him out. He keeps trying to go further away from where we can see him. So we're just gonna drive home. All right. There he is.
Hi, Daddy. Hi,
Oh, he's bigger than I realized.
This isn't our snake.
It's not? It's not.
Nope, ours is much, much bigger. Much, much
You
bigger.
have tape? All right, here we are. Time to go free on our property. Go ahead, buddy. You're free. Oh. like you to go over. Okay, there you go. Go, 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 go. Goodbye. Goodbye, friend.
You pet him right